因为美国的爱荷华州一间中学初时早起发生枪击案，造成1个人死亡，5个人受伤，其中有1个人伤势较严重。加在迄天学校内底是无啥人，警方表示，尾啊，这个凶手那亲像是自杀行地路。
真侪警车停伫学校外口，美国爱荷华州培里市内的培里中区，这是结束休课等学校上课，所伫早起7点外发生枪击。警方接到报案，有人伫学校开枪，7分鐘了後到現場，發現真侪人受傷。
It's still very early. This happened at approximately 7:37 this morning. School didn't start yet, luckily, so there was very few students and faculty in the building, which I think contributed to a good outcome in that sense.
警方表示，凶手犯案了后，疑似自杀身亡，不过已經造成至少1人死亡，也有真儕人受傷，其中1人傷勢嚴重，好在無生命危險。愛荷華州官員指出，凶手是17歲巴特勒，伊是培里中學的學生。槍擊前後，伫社群媒體爆發真儕大文，被講呼籲國會通過立法打擊槍擊暴力。
Our hearts break for the families of the victims in yet another act of senseless gun violence. We are grateful for the brave first responders who are on the scene, and unfortunately, there is no longer an active threat to the school. I should say fortunate, not unfortunately.
美國有防槍擊暴力組織譴責學校槍擊暴力的宣傳，佢指出今年才過4天，都已經發生2件校園槍擊事件。另外，凶手犯案動機，還要等當局來調查清楚。公司新聞單位真評價。